The ultimate guide to napping. As our senior year comes to a close, we can all honestly admit that we've become experts at a few things: procrastination, cramming for tests, consuming ridiculously large amounts of caffeine, and napping whenever we get the chance. But as we approach the even more daunting college years, it is important that we learn how to time manage the best we can, even when it comes to naps. Here are some tips on how to use your precious nap time wisely using psychology. Tip number 1, choose a time. It is important to nap at the ideal time of day. Early afternoon between 1 and 3 p.m. is the best time to start your nap, but this may vary depending on your sleep schedule. Because of our circadian rhythms, the cycle that tells our bodies when to sleep, rise, and eat, we are at our most tired twice during a 24-hour period. One period occurs 12 hours after we wake up, and usually falls right in the middle of the day, between 1 and 3, making this period optimal nap time. This way, your body will be tired enough to fall asleep for a nap, but still be able to fall asleep for bedtime. Tip number 2, choose a comfortable place. You should always sleep in a familiar, comfortable place where you can easily relax. According to a new study published in a recent edition of Current Biology, it appears half of our brain remains alert when you sleep in a new location. So even while you're sleeping, part of your brain is ready to launch a fight or flight response to protect you in a new place. So if you want a restful nap, choose somewhere like a bed or a couch where you calmly lay to sleep or relax. Tip number 3, choose a duration. A nap should be between 10 and 30 minutes or exactly an hour and a half. Why? A sleep cycle lasts 90 minutes, so if you are trying to remember a bunch of new material you just learned for your tests the next day before falling asleep, you should opt for a longer nap, in order for you to enter into REM sleep. But be careful, REM comes at a price. You will wake up feeling groggy. This groggy feeling is called sleep inertia, and happens when you wake up during deep, slow wave sleep. So if you want to sacrifice a longer nap for a shorter one, a 10 to 30 minute nap will leave you feeling energized and refreshed. Expert advice: if you drink a cup of coffee right before a quick nap, the caffeine will kick in after 20 to 30 minutes, decreasing the amount of adenosine, a chemical that increases drowsiness while you're awake and gets broken down while you're asleep. In a series of studies conducted in the 1990s, researchers at Loughborough University in England found that drinking a cup of coffee and then immediately taking a 15-minute nap was better at curbing drowsiness in motorists than simply having a cup of coffee or taking a short nap. Now, you're ready to take on the world, one nap at a time.